Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Mel. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be kind of a quick one. We're just going to check out this 6-car set I found on Amazon. I had originally purchased this mainly because of the 911 GT3 RS that's in it, and it appears to be an exclusive color to this set. I believe all the other ones are exclusive as well, so we will check it out. Here is the box. Now we have the Jaguar F-Type Project 7, which is in like a matte black, I believe. To look here then. Mercedes AMG GT, blue, Porsche 911 GT3 RS, in silver, BMW M4 in yellow or gold, I forget. We'll look here then. Audi RS5 Coupe in a beautiful green, and Alpine A110, and I believe it's white. Let's take a look here. I forget. It's hard to tell from that art. Yeah, so flat black for the Jaguar and white for the Renault. Anyway, we'll go ahead here. What I really like, this box lid art is really cool on the inside. I think I'm going to cut this off and get let me back out a little bit, get a frame just for that picture. Is really cool. So maybe I'll pick up another set. I will have the affiliate link down below. I did not get this set for free or anything from Amazon. I did have to buy this, and as far as I could tell, it's an Amazon exclusive set, but I have yet to find that out. I'm not 100% sure on that. So anyway, they do have some other sets on there as well, but the one that, like I said, this stuck out mainly because of the GT3 RS. But I love that. I love the card art. It's just great. Look at that. That's going to be awesome. Framed. It's probably going to be an odd size there to find a frame for it, but it's really cool. And I'll put each one up on the turntable here. But here's the Jaguar Project 7. It's like a satin black with red interior. It's pretty nice. Of course, this is not Real Rider, these cars, or they have just the standard plastic wheels and plastic base, but the oh boy, there's not much detail on that steering wheel, is it? That's really pretty sadly done, the interior on that. I've never ever actually looked at one of these out of the pack. BMW M4 we'll look at next here, and then I will put them up, like I said, on the turntable. Oh, here comes the other one. Oh, I didn't realize that had black on the black stripes, black roof. That looks pretty good. Now this is gold. I was thinking it was like yellow, but pretty attractive gold color, this M4. I just never understood when BMW went to that nomenclature. It's to this day, it doesn't make any sense to me. I would have thought this would be considered an M3, M4, where they should just left that with the sedans, the four-door sedan. I don't know. It made no sense to me. To this day, I think they ruined themselves doing that. I think it's strange. The paint job is great on this Audi. That looks beautiful. Kind of has, I don't know if that's plastic. It almost looks like a faux carbon on the... It is. Oh, it's up underneath the plastic. It looks like a faux carbon. That's interesting as the dogs bark in the background. Sorry about that. Great detailing on the front. RS5 Coupe. Wheel choice is pretty decent on it, I think. Looks pretty darn close, actually, to some of the real wheels that they had offered, I think, for these cars. Next up, we'll take a look at the Alpine A110. Now, it doesn't say Renault anywhere on it, but I assume this is made by Renault. Boy, we got some nasty scratches and stuff on this deco there, but kind of like the gold PR5s, kind of like a dirty bronze color. It's okay though. AMG Mercedes GT. I haven't seen one of these in a while, and I actually saw one go down in front of my house this past weekend. I think it was in a dark blue, actually, come to think of it. And last but not least, what I bought the whole set for was this exclusive silver with red GT3 RS side stripes. So looks pretty cool. It's like a grayish silver, actually. It's not like a straight silver. Sorry, my voice is all messed up from allergies. It's that time of year, and I don't normally get allergies, but this time of year has been bad with the trees and everything. All right, now we have them up on a turntable. We can take a look at all of them together. I think they're all pretty nice. You guys have to let me know down below what you think. I think I paid $21.99 for the 6 cars, so it's not cheap by any means, but I figure I'm probably going to get stuck, you know, later on. If I would have had to buy the silver GT3 alone, I'd probably have to pay $10 for that car or more off of eBay. So I figured just bite the bullet now and get the set. Maybe I could part the rest of the set out, because I've been trying to limit my cars. I mainly have Porsches in my collection and water-cooled Volkswagens and some the Audis, mostly the older Quattros. Really nice set though, I think. I don't know, maybe the price is a little high now I'm thinking about, but that was with free shipping, of course, too. But the BMW is growing on me. I really like them. Second favorite besides the 911, of course, is the Audi RS5 Coupe. Looks really great in that green color. So that's it. Just a quick video. I thought I'd show you guys that. And guys have to let me know down below what you'd like, or which one's your favorite one out of those. And that's it for tonight's video, and I will put the affiliate link down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free, you can't be free. And hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye now.